Hey friends, if you wish to remove the order of a file from Excel, then please watch this video. Now we have an Excel file here. There is no way to remove the order. The order is me. Okay, through the Microsoft Excel sheet itself. So here's what we have to do. Listen to this carefully. Right click on the Excel file, select show more options, click on properties, and then go to the details tab. It shows the order here, which is me. Scroll down to the absolute bottom and then click on remove properties and personal information. Select orders. Okay. No, this is for creating a copy. Select the next one. Select orders here and then click on OK. It will remove the order. This is the only way to remove the order. There is no other way. You cannot do it through the document itself, but you can do it outside the document. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.